When he was elected Pope in 1605, Paul V decided to transform some land that he owned just outside of the city of Rome into a villa, a suburban villa located outside of the city proper, and to use that structure for delectation, a place to get away from the stresses of urban living. And he asked his nephew, Cardinal Scipione Borghese, to assemble the world's greatest art collection. And Scipione did by no means disappoint. In fact, the collection of the Borghese is still housed today in that building that you see behind me, the Borghese Gallery, which is my absolute favorite museum in the entire city of Rome. It contains some of Gian Lorenzo Bernini's most celebrated early works, like his Apollo and Daphne, his Aeneas, his Pluto and Persephone, as well as 6 paintings by the great Caravaggio, including the David with the head of Goliath. And then upstairs, you can enjoy Raphael's great Transportation of the Body, Correggio's great painting of Danae, and several paintings by the great Venetian artist Titian as well. But there's more to this building than just the art that's contained inside. There are the secret gardens to the left and right, the aviaries that you see as well, where they had a collection of rare birds, silkworm farms, dovecotes. This place was what the Borghese like to call the theater of the universe, where they could come to enjoy this great collection of esoteric and beautiful things and show off the world what a great family they were. But the term villa does not refer only to the building, but to the entire park that surrounds it, where today the Romans come to jog, walk their dogs, and simply enjoy a bit of greenery in the very heart of their city. The Villa Borghese, the great lung of the city of Rome.